Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's session name is amino acid. What is the amino acids? All amino acids find various application in biotechnology. That means amino acids like glutamic, lysine, amino acids have a very importance in industries. L-glutamic acid and its salts are used of flavor enhancer, and L-amino acid are used for food and feed additives. The amino acid business is a multi-billion dollar enterprise. All 20 amino acids are sold, each in a greatly different quantities. The major producer of amino acids are Japan, US, South Korea, China and Europe. Many microbe-based industries have their origin tradition that go back industry or thousands of years. These are the approaches of production of amino acids: direct chemical synthesis, fermentation, bioconversion using enzymes. How to choose right method: available technology, cost of raw material, market price and sizes, cost of running fermentation versus synthesis reaction, environmental impact of the particular amino acid process. So we are discussed today about glutamic acid production. Glutamic acid production have a industrial value. So glutamate is the most abundant free amino acid in bacterial cytoplasm. In order to useful glutamate producer must to do things well. They have overproduced glutamate in excess of their normal metabolic needs. They must excrete into culture growth. The most popular Rhinoform species included Alitignum and some other These are the microorganisms which are producing amino acids, and some microorganisms are producing a glutamic acid are E. coli, Bacillus circulans, and Bacillus cereus. So these are some microorganisms which is produce glutamic amino acids and which are also using in production. This is the method of glutamic acid production, which is shown by flowchart. First, the nutrient dissolving in tank, then sterilizer, then further it will transfer into buffer tank, then it will be transferred into fermenter. Then we have added inoculum and amino acid, and we have controlled the pH. uh, uh, for controlling the pH, we have to add ammonia. Then further it will be transferred to the cell separator. Then ion exchanger used by NH3 for reuse. Then further it will be transferred to eluted in NOH. Then further again ion exchanger, then evaporation. Then further it will be transferred for the crystallization. After getting crystallization, we have get L-glutamic acid. Application of glutamic acid. These are the application of glutamic acid: nutritional supplement in food production, MSG, used for flavor enhancer, agriculture and animal feed, as an intermediate in manufacturing of various and organic chemicals. So this is the glutamic acid production, and I hope you are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.